Sometimes when lawns become very tired, old or thatchy, they require an intensive renovation. At Lawntech, we call this our SOS Renovation. As part of this process, we need to scarify very heavily in multiple directions to remove as much subsurface thatch as possible. This process looks quite intense, but it is worth it in the end. Once we've scarified, we collect the arisings and then we aerate with a hollow-tine aerator to put as many holes through the subsurface thatch as possible. Once we've done this, we then top dress with a really good organic top dressing, which will create a perfect environment for overseeding to germinate, and also this will create a nice smooth surface and iron out any imperfections. In this case, on this lawn, it was quite thatchy, so we needed to do it very intensively. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this renovated lawn on our annual lawn care program so that we can be sure it recovers properly, and by the time we come back in the summer, it should be looking really good.